Hello, welcome back. Mr. Chang here. Chinese takeaway special fried rice. One of my all-time favorite dishes. This is how we make it in Ireland. We're just going to cut this open, but wait, we'll show you what's inside later. So for this dish, we need quite a lot of ingredients. Well, not quite a lot, more ingredients than usual. We have char siu pork, frozen peas, prawns. This is just a mixture of MSG, salt and ground black pepper. This is a mixture of dark and light soy sauce, some spring onion and some ham. We always use tinned ham in the Chinese takeaway. They all do as far as I know. This is a day-old boiled rice kept in the fridge overnight. This will take all the moisture out of the rice and it's much easier to fry. A few eggs beaten up. This is about 3 or 4 eggs, and not to forget the chicken. First, we're going to start this recipe off by blanching the chicken. Right, so here we have the fresh chicken. We're just going to cut off those bits of skin there. We don't want those. We definitely don't want those. I'll clean this bit of chicken off there. Just slice that off as easy as that. And center like this. And then all we do is cut it into chicken strips like that. Easy done. And that's all we need. Chicken strips like that. Finish this other bit here. Just quickly do that, and while the chicken is blanching, we'll go on to the ham and speed everything up. There we go, and that's the chicken done. So when you're making this special fried rice, it's always best to start off with blanching the chicken. Everything else we can prepare. While the chicken is blanching, it speeds everything up. So just light up your gas or your electric, whatever you're using. Have your chicken ready here. Pour in some cold water into your wok like that, and then scoop up your chicken and drop it into the wok. I like to add a tiny bit of soy sauce into the water for extra flavour. You don't have to do that if you don't want. It's entirely up to you. And we're just going to bring this chicken to the boil. It doesn't take very long, only a few minutes, and it'll be blanched. I'll show you that in a second. So while the chicken is blanching, we're just going to quickly cut up this ham. You just cut this into small squares. That's all that's needed. A few small squares, because we've already got the chicken, the prawns, the peas, the char siu pork, and it'll bulk up this dish. We just need a tiny bit of everything. Just cut your ham into cube sizes, something like that. And that's the ham done. Once we have the ham done, we're going to cut up this char siu pork. This is stuff I've made earlier. I like it overdone. Cut that off. Listen to the crunch of that pork, amazing. So good. And we're going to cut this into small squares as well. Oh, it just tastes amazing. Right, so we're going to go over and check the chicken. Should be done by now. Once you brought the water back to the boil, this is only going to take 3 minutes. That's chicken, more or less done. We're going to take that off, turn off the heat here, and give that a quick rinse. And then we're going to start cooking the rice. Carefully lift your chicken off, and we're going to give that a quick rinse. Right. So now that leaves us with all the meat. We have the chicken, we have the ham, we have the pork, we have everything ready for the wok. Let's start cooking. So that's ready. Right, so turn on your gas, heat up your wok and allow that to smoke for a few minutes. You want to add in your vegetable oil. Once that starts crackling, like that, you can probably hear it. We're going to put on the egg. This will only take literally 15, 20 seconds at most. And just quickly scramble the eggs. That's them done. Remove your eggs from the wok. Put them to the side. Place your wok back onto the heat. Add a tiny bit more oil and allow that to heat up for a moment. Once that is ready and bubbling like that, we're going to add in all the meat like that. We just want to cook this. Just heat it up slightly before we go on with the rice. The rice on top, then we're going with the prawns and the peas. Soy sauce, dark and light soy sauce around the edges of the wok, like that. A mixture of salt, sugar, MSG and white pepper. And this will be done in no time. Back in with the eggs. You want to further cook this for about 3 minutes, because remember this is cold rice from the fridge. You want to heat up everything. After 2 or 3 minutes, let's say 3 minutes, add the spring onions. And then for my favourite part. So if you made it this far in the video, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button and wait. Keep watching for the best part coming up. Now we're going to put this rice in the bowl like this. As much of it as we can get. Flatten the rice down with your spatula. Just twist that around there. It's important to press down to make sure it's all compact, otherwise it'll fall apart once we flip this around. Turn your plate upside down, turn the rice around like that. And then, now for my favourite part of this dish, we want to heat up the wok. Again, put in some vegetable oil. That should be enough there. This is what makes this special fried rice so tasty. My favourite part. I think it's everyone's favourite part of special fried rice. Well, UK special fried rice anyway. So do you remember the egg we had earlier? Just give that a good whisk. Make sure your wok is smoking hot and the vegetable oil is bubbling like that. When it's ready, pour in all the egg. That's about 3 eggs there. just cook that around there a little bit. This is not going to take long. I'm going to cook that all around there. We need some more oil around the edges of the pan there. Look at that. Oh, this is going to be a huge piece of egg here. So once that's done, just heat this side up here, cook that quicker. Once we have that done, we're going to quickly flip the egg around like that. Beautiful, beautiful. Cook it for another 20-30 seconds. So once you've put everything together, here we have the ham, the chicken, the frozen peas, eggs, char siu pork. Beautiful. This is my favorite dish ever. Then we're going to take the egg, place it on top of the rice. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. So that's it, more or less made, finished. Beautiful. Let's cut this up and see what it looks like inside. Special fried rice.